Hi, everybody. It's Silly Paula. I want to say hi to everybody. And I'm so excited to see you. Well, not really see you, but I'm so excited to be able to reach out and say, hey. I brought a special friend with me. Some of you know this is Meow Meow Kitty. Can you say hi, Meow Meow Kitty? Meow Meow hi. Meow Meow hi. Meow Meow Kitty says she misses everybody, and I miss everybody. And I'm going to read a story. But first, I thought maybe we'd talk a little bit about germs. Everybody's talking about germs. Everybody's talking about washing their hands. Everybody's talking about staying inside. I have to say, though, I think you're very, very lucky because you get to stay with the people who love you the most. And I love you and I miss you. And Meow Meow Kitty, I'm going to teach Meow Meow Kitty how to wash her hands. Meow. Yes. Meow. Yes, Meow Meow Kitty. Now, Meow Meow Kitty was outside playing and she got her hands all dirty and she came inside and she went to sit down at the table and I said, oh, Meow Meow Kitty, what do we have to do before we have snack or before we eat? And everybody knows what we're supposed to do, right? We what? Wash our hands. So I have some very, very strong soap here. Meow Meow Kitty's going to put some on her hands. And she's going to rub, 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 rub. Rub, 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 rub. She's going to rub it all over her hands and into her fingernails. And we're going to pretend that the water is running. And I have some water here. And Meow Meow's Kitty is going to rub. And we're going to sing. We're going to sing. This is as long as you have to wash your hands. Are you ready? As long as the song goes. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. So that's 20 seconds. And if you don't want to sing Meow Meow Kitty's song, you can sing your own song. It has to be 20 seconds though. So you might want to count to 20 a couple times just so you get an idea of how long it is. So, well, I'm going to help Meow Meow Kitty dry her hands here after she's washed. And I'll be back in a few minutes and I'm going to give you a very nice story. Meow Meow, bye Meow Meow.